So before you start using the app, depending on the option that you're going to use, you may need to deposit some crypto into that particular option. Now you have three of them, which you can see right up here at the top, which is the Classic, Classic 2.0, as well as the Pro version. Classic and Classic 2.0 just runs on a set time. So depending on the time interval, like with Classic, it runs every 5 minutes. Okay. Classic 2.0 is kind of similar, but at the same time, you do have a couple of other options like the 60-second option as well. Okay. But for the Pro and the Classic 2.0, you will need to deposit funds in order to start making trades. So let me show you how to do that as well as withdraw those funds. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and go over here to deposit. And then we'll go ahead and select our chain, which we already have here, which is BNB. And then we want to put in the amount. So we can choose the max amount, which I have right here, or we can choose a portion of that amount. So depending on how big of a size you want to trade, you want to make sure that you have that money available. So I'm going to go ahead and add most of it. So I'm just going to add 0.5 and then click on deposit. Then we'll need to confirm it in our MetaMask wallet, just like this. And click on confirm. Now, it's very important that you make sure that you have enough funds left for gas to be able to move money in and out. So keep that in mind. Okay. We'll click on confirm here. And now we'll wait for it to be deposited, which the transaction is confirmed here. And it normally takes up to 2 minutes before it is processed on the blockchain. So let's let that happen and then we'll continue. Okay. Our deposit was successful and we can close this out. Now, withdrawing is the same process, just in reverse. All we need to do is go ahead and click here, select our chain, the coin that we're using, and then from there, go ahead and put the amount that we want to withdraw and select withdraw. And then we'll go back into our MetaMask wallet. In this case, because we're using MetaMask, depending on what you're using, the wallet that you're using with PRDT. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to go ahead and select the max amount. And then we will click on withdraw. All right. And as you can see, the process is pretty much the same. Just in reverse, we need to wait for it to be processed. And there it is. We're done. We come back up. We can see that the funds have been put back into our wallet and we are good to go. So that's how you deposit and withdraw within the PRDT app. Remember, you'll need this option if you're going to be using the Classic 2.0 option or the Pro option. Okay. If you're just using the actual Classic option, you don't need to do that. There's no deposit that's necessary. But in another video, we'll show you how to open orders with each one of these options. So now that you know how to deposit, go ahead and make your deposit. And then in another video, we'll show you how to open an order right here on the app. Okay, take care.